Okay, dear student, good morning. Friday, first lecture, 8th A, Maths, chapter number 3, part number 2, cube root and cube. First, we will see cube. For example, 17 cube, 3 power means 3 times. 3 power means 3 times. 17 into 17 into 17, if you will do, it will 4913. One more example, minus 6 cube. So minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, 216. See, this minus minus will plus, this will remain, so this is minus. Minus 2 by 5 cube. So minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125, minus minus plus, this minus remain. If it is 4 times minus, so minus minus plus, minus minus plus, plus plus plus. If it is odd number of time minus is there, so in the answer you have to write minus. Keep in your mind. Decimal type 1.2 square. So sorry, cube. 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. Forget about the decimal point. 12 into 12 into 12. How much? It is 1728. So 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 3 decimal. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Like that you have to cut the decimal. 0.02 cube. 0.02. 0.02, 0.02, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 point. 0.00, 00. Okay, that okay. That there is a network issue. Wait, within 1 minute it will. Okay. It is a everyday problem. Okay, now it will be clear, okay? So like that. Now we have to find out cube root. 17 cube is equal to 4913. Opposite. 4913 cube root. That is 17. I have changed the network. Wait till 10 seconds. 6 cube is equal to 216. So 216 cube root is this. So better you take a screenshot. I'll start with second point. Take a screenshot. Less than 1000. Less than 8000. This is A group. Number A group. This particular method you will not find anywhere in any guide, any textbook. For 0 is 0, for 1 is 1, for 4 is 4, for 5 is 5, for 6 is 6, 9 is 9. But whenever unit place is 2, you have to write 8. When unit place is 8, you have to write 2. When unit place is 3, you have to write 7. When it is 7, you have to write 3. For 2 it is 8, for 8 it is 2, 3 it is 7, 7 it is 3. Just total number you have to consider, and then unit place you have to consider. Now some of the example I am taking from this. It is 1 7 to 8, 4 9 1 3, 2 1 6, 1 3 3 1, 7 to 9, 3 4 3, 5 1 7. This I have taken, and see, for this, these are the number given. Cube root. You have to write the answer. So now A group, B group. A group, B group. That will be the answer. Try to understand this method. A group is this. Overall number is in which range? Okay. So 1728, not less than 1000. It is less than 8000. So this one you will write. 4000. It is less than 8000, not 1000. So again 1. Compare the value. 216 is less than 1000. 1331 more than 1000. It is in this. 729 less than 1000. So 0. Try to understand part A. 343 it is less than 1000. So 0. 512 less than 1000. 0. 2744 it is in this group. 1. 32,000 32 not less than 8, not less than 27, more than 27, so it is in this group. Now 5,51,000 5,51,000 5,12,000 5,51,000 comes in this, so it is 8. 6,000 less than this means 1. So your overall big figure, full number, comes under which condition? So according to that, my red number you have to write here. A group. B group is very simple. B group is Very simple. Last number is 8, means unit place, correct? Last number is 8. For 8, what you will write? 2. Last number is 3. For 3, what you will write? 7. Last number is 6. For 6, it is 6. Last number is 1. For 1, you will write 1. Last number is 9. For 9 is 9, red number. Last number is 3. For 3, you have to write 7. Last number is 2. For 2 to 8. Last number is 4. For 4 to 4. Last number is 3. 3. For 3, you have to write 7. Last number is 8. For 8, you have to write 2. Last number is 9. So for 9, you have to write 9. So this is a cube of this. Means of this cube root is 12. Of this cube root is 17. Of this cube root is 6. Of this 11. Of this 9. This is cube of 7. This is cube of 8. This is cube of 14. This is cube of 37. This is cube of 82. This is cube of 90. Overall figure comes under which condition? So write this a digit. In first digit I am marked for 8 to 2. For 8 to 2, sorry. For 8 to 2 and 9 to 9. Last digit, if it is 10, you have to write. Last digit, if it is 2, you have to write 8. For 8, you have to write 2. For 2, 8. For 8, 2. Answer. For 3, answer will be 7. For 7, answer will be 3. That is second digit. So this is combined result. It is a cube root of this. In exam, how to write? This is the my method that you will find very confidently within the 10 seconds, faster than computer, faster than calculator. Now how to write? How to write? In exam they will ask, for example, this. Find cube root of 1331. So answer 1331. We know it is 11. So 11 into 11 into 11. You will write 3 times because you got this answer from my method. So it is 11 cube. So cube root of 1331, it is 11. This goes under this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 step. Again one more example I am explaining. For example, this. Find cube root of 32,768. So you know that 32,768 is equal to 32, 32, 32 by my method. So this is 32 cube. 32768. Now cube root like this you have to write 32768. So your answer is 32. Like this you have to write the final answer. So this is the method how you will show in the exam. This is the method how you will find in exam. That exact number you will get. No need to find the prime factors. So you just mug up. This is the 10 square. This is 20. This is 10 into 10 into 20. 20 into 20 into 20. 30 into 30 into 30. This I have taken 10 into 10 into 10. This I have taken 20 into 20 into 20. This I have taken 30 into 30 into 30. This I have taken 40 into 40 into 40. This I have taken 50 into 50 into 50. This I have taken 60 into 60 into 60. This I have taken 70 into 70 into 70. This I have taken 80 into 80 into 80. These I have taken 90 means 90 into 90 into 90. These I have taken 100 into 100 into 100. 20 20 20 60. So below that, so the number are 1 less. If it is 20 into 20 into 20, so I have written 1. 30 into 30 into 30, so I have written 2. Previous number, so it is less number. You don't go in the base of the formula. That ready-made I am giving to you. I'll give you time to copy or to take the screenshot. Hare 1 minute Omkar Gupta. So A group, it is for full figure. This figure comes under what? Then from the last figure, last unit, you have to make round, 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 round. For 3 you will write 7, for 2 you will write 8, for 8 you will write 2. Whose speaker is on? Remove. See how much background voice are coming. Meet, why you are making your video on? Meet. Okay. Now if you want to take the screenshot, you can take. So very simple, effort is 800, 8000 sorry, so it is 20, simple. At the end I will give 10 numbers, you have to find out by my method, that is homework. Now they have given minus value. If it is minus 5, 2, minus 5, 1, 2. So that is less than 100, and 2 it is 8. So it is minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. Okay, so it is minus 8 cube. So minus 5, 1, 2 cube root minus 8, like that, for minus number. Okay, now this 327, 125 cube root. This is 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. Because less than this 0, and for 5 it is 5. So cube root 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3, 3 cube root and cube, so 3 by 5, like that. 16, 54 cube root. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 2 into 27, 3 into 2, 3 into 3. 2 to cancel. That is 2 cube, 3 cube, cube root gone. 729, that already I have done somewhere. Okay, 729, 9 means 9 and it is less than this. So 9 into 9 into 9. So cube and cube root gone. So 9 answer. Similarly, 0.0009729. Whose mic is on? So this is 0.9 into 0.9 into 0.9. It is cube root of 0.9 cube root gone. Here frequency is full, but you check your this. Now check. So cube root I have given. This is the method how we will show in the exam. These are from page number 18, it is 3.3. So note down. Take the screenshot. Now ready with the calculator, and you give me some numbers. I will give you the answer within 10 seconds, and then I will give you question. You will give me the answer. Take a screenshot. Take and can I rub? Okay, those who have taken no, they will send in the group. Don't worry. Sorry. You will get. Otherwise, in my video, you will get definitely. Two students ready with the calculator. You multiply. You don't tell me the number which you are multiplying. For example, 12 into 12 into 12. Do 3 times. Assume one number less than 90. Assume one number less than 90. 90. Multiply, multiply, multiply 3 times. Give me the number. Then at the end, I will give you the answer. Start. Anyone is ready with the calculator? Number, cube root means answer. This is A group, this is B group, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 number I want. Fast, tell me. Here I can see Omkar, Alika. Give me the number, but by calculator you have to do this into this into this. I will give which number you have utilized. Fast. In starting, I told no, you be ready with the calculator. What 20? I don't want that number. You are not. Suppose you are doing 12 into 12 into 12. What is the answer? Tell me. I will tell you which number you have multiplied by 3. Cube root means. You just give me the answer. Calculator answer. Next number. आप याद रखो. Watch which you have multiplied. Next number. Array, 2 students are even at least not ready with the calculator. 219 only. 21952. Next. One 17576. Next. Only one student is doing. Less than 90. 19683. 75. Okay, anybody wants to tell, then I can start with answer. Okay. Now, student listen. 7 4 7 4 these 74088, correct? One more you want? Anybody want to give? Say.
Okay, now stop. Now stop. See how to find the answer. Time start karo. Time start now. For example, I will take highest. 74,000. 74,000 is less than this. So I'll write 4. And last figure is 8. For 8 it is 2. Within 5 seconds, I have given the answer cube root of this 74,088. Who have given me? Check this. It is 42 into 42 into 42 or not. So this I want from your side, that within 4 seconds, 5 seconds, even 10 seconds, you can find out the answer, whatever the number. In the textbook, they have not given more than 10,000, more than 5,000. But see, we are taking 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, and all that number. Okay, next number. 24,000. 24,000 is not less than this, it is less than this, so it is 2. And for 9, it is 9. For 21,000, 21,000 again this, so it's 2. Last number 2, for 2 to 8. 17,000, 17,000 again this, so 2. And for 6, it is 6. For 19,000, 2. And 3, for 3 it is 7. For 4,000, less than this, 1. And for 6, it is 6. Now check your answer, it is correct or not. A I have taken from first group, B I have taken from second group. For 1 to 1, 0 to 0. For 2 I have written 8. For 8 I have written 2. For 7 I have written 3. For 3 I have written 7. 4 will remain 4. 5 will remain 5. 9 will remain. Done. Take the screenshot again. Again you will tell me that how in the exam I will write. Find. This is the method how to get the answer. I am not telling that this is the way of writing the answer. This is the way of getting the answer. Once you will get the answer, then it is very easy to write. Wait. Find cube root of 47088. Find this answer. So cube root of 47088 is equal to cube root of 42. So it is 42 cube root gone. This is the official method how you will write into the exam. Otherwise you will tell Vijay sir ने ये सिखाया मैंने ये लिख दिया. खत्म बात खत्म. You will get 0 mark. I have shown you the method how to get the answer. I have not shown you the how you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer in a textbook way, in a textbook method. But you will, once you will get it very easily, within 5 seconds you can write this rest part. See, like me, you people also can get the cube root of any number, but it should be the perfect cube. ऐसा नहीं 16 into 17 into 14 करके किसी ने दे दिया आपको number, you can't find. Same number होना चाहिए. 19 into 19 into 19, 56 into 56 into 56, 78 into 78 into 70. Then only you will find the reverse answer. 78. Screen is clear, beta. Wait. Okay, now okay, you just copy this or take the screenshot. Now I am giving you 10 numbers. Wait, it will be clear. I am giving you 10 numbers. I am giving you 10 numbers. You find out and tell me the answer in class only, because now for that no need of this calculator. You need now my method. I'll write big. 551368. 274625 50653 804357 6859 110 592 39304 175 616 357. From the calculator I got this number for you people for the practice. This Gopal Pujari, why you are making your video on? जो काम दे रहे वो करो ना. I am giving you only 2 minutes for all the answer. Because your group are here, directly you have to write A and B. फटाफट फाइंड आउट करो. I will write my answer, then you can tell me. Got anybody? Then tell me which answer is which. You can tell of sixth one, of fifth one. Who got, tell me, who got the answer? 1 minute. Which? 82. Very good, very good. What is your name? What is your name? Vinay. Abhinay. Very good. Now you got my idea. 82 correct. Next. Any you can say. Not second one. Any which you got. Tell me the answer. Boys, come on. Next answer. Anybody got any answer? Any answer? Tell me. I will announce. How much? Third one, 32. Wrong. 37. What is your name? What is your name? Very good. Next. Number and answer. Fourth answer, fifth answer, tell. Very easy. Within 1 second you can judge because tables are in front of you. Fifth one. 19. Very good. What is your name? Anmol, you are Anmol. Next. Sixth one, how much? Very good. What is your name? Kajal Singh. Very good. 48. Second one? No. It is 2 lakh. 5 is correct, but 3 is wrong. See, 2 lakhs here it will come. Here, less than this. Less than this. This is up to 16,000. This is this. So 65. Next. Don't do in calculator. Do my math by my method only. Your next lecture is also there. 10. 10 this remain now. 5 remain. Fast. Try. No. 8-1. No. 93. Very good. Correct. What is your name? Abhinay. Very good. Very good. 37. Correct. What is your name? Vaishnavi. Correct. Now last 4 remain only. Tell me fast. Your next lecture, teachers are waiting. Those who didn't follow, you can call me, you can ask me to repeat this method. Next week, next chapter, 4th. Say fast, this only 4 remain. Time up, bacha. Next teacher. Which? Which one? No. 34. Correct answer. What is your name? Kajal Singh Rog. Now last 3. 1,75,000. Sumit, close your video. 21 correct. 28 correct. What is your name? Vaishnavi Rock. Next. One lakh 75,000. 1,25,000. 1,75,000. So less than this. So 5. And for 6 we will write 6. 56. For 1 we will write 1, but it is 3,57,000. 3,57,000, not this. Under this. Take the screenshot and send. Very good. Claps for 8A, my 8A division. Very good try. If you will do the practice, you definitely within 5 seconds you will get any below 10 decks you can find. Okay, thank you, bacha. Time up. Your next teacher next for